Good morning, Dr. Advani.
Good morning.
There were a few more questions by some of our viewers. One was that in this COVID time, how safe is it for a cancer patient to go to a hospital?
I think it is as safe as anybody else. So cancer patient is no exception. They can get the OF as much as a normal person can get it. So I think there's no differentiation whether the normal patient visits the hospital or cancer patient visits the hospital. They have equal chance of getting the infection if they are exposed to the carrier or the patient.
Okay. And what about regarding the surgeries? If suppose a surgery is recommended by a oncologist to a cancer patient, should they go ahead with the surgery or should they wait?
If the patient has COVID negative, they can they are normal, and therefore they can go undergo the surgery as anything else. So the data has clearly come out now that there is no question of delaying the necessary surgery, provided the COVID test is negative. So all patients who are undergoing surgery, the COVID test is a must. If it is positive, wait till it becomes negative and then do the surgery.
There was a question regarding OPD that if you want to consult a doctor, you think it's better to do a video consultation or should a patient actually go physically to a hospital and visit the doctor there?
I think in majority of the patients, the video consultation is good enough today because the technology has improved so much that we need not even touch the patient and diagnose the disease and advise the treatment. And that's the advance of the technology. And therefore, even in the clinic, if you see today, doctors hardly use the stethoscope. You can't use the stethoscope today because you can get everything from ECG to the echo and whatnot. Everything you can get it whatever you want. Similarly, the use of hand has really gone down. But I suppose in a fresh patient, if they can come to the hospital, doctor sees them, that will be better. Now one thing is very clear that during the follow-up, it is not necessary for the patient to come. They can get the full advice at home.
Okay. There was one more question by one of our viewers that, in case if they get side effects or pain management or pain or any other discomfort after taking the treatment, they don't want to really go to the hospital anymore. And sometimes doctors are also unavailable. Their doctors may be unavailable at that particular point of time. So, what is the solution for them? What do they do for the time being?
I think it is good to see the change that is happening. That now more and more home care companies are coming up and they are providing 24 hours service for the patient. They have got the trained manpower and they have got the connectivity. All the care which is necessary is being made through them. And therefore, I think over a period of time, home care for such a patients will become important. Unless, of course, it's an emergency, in which case they have to come to the hospital.
Okay. Also, there were some chemotherapy patients who have their cycles due maybe tomorrow or day after during this COVID period. So, some of the doctors have advised them that no, you should not delay your treatment for some time. Some doctors have said that you can switch over to tablets which you can take at home. What do you feel about that? That should you delay the treatment or should you switch to tablets or should you continue the treatment as it is?
I think the most important thing to remember is that cancer can also cause the problem in terms of the life. And therefore, it is very important to stick to the original treatment. Deviation in the treatment will give you inferior results. So I think all over now it's accepted that you must deliver the equally good treatment even in this COVID-19 situation.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Advani.